Let me show you what makes a Bugout Bungalow unique. It folds up. So there's 1/4 of the roof section down without damage. This is insulated, finished inside and out, trimmed out, and there's 1/4 of the roof and ceiling. So you can see how this is an efficient building system. There's 1/4 of the whole roofing system. And it didn't weigh as much 5 years ago, I'll tell you that. So this is the last stage of the disassembly of the roof structure, and that's removing this beam. It's mainly here to ease of assembly, and the roof will support itself without this beam being here. I like it also gives you a place to attach a decorative beam or hang ceiling lights or fixtures, fans, that sort of thing. But anyway, that's the last thing to come down. Just to show you again that a Bugout Bungalow is a folding building, let me demonstrate. So that's almost 1/4 of the wall framing, except for the centerpieces. Three more times. 3 more times and I'm done. Building will be down. So this is the following day. I finished taking apart the building last night. Took about 7 hours, and now I'm going to disassemble the floor. And basically it just does this. And I'll drag these panels around wherever I need them, and I can reassemble it. It took longer than I normally would have to disassemble this building because I used so much caulk and expensive foam. It worked really well. It made a good, almost mechanical bond. It tore up the plywood around the edges. It held so good. So in a temporary use situation, I would take it easy on the caulking. This was here 5 years, so it was worth the extra effort to disassemble it. And it gets sub-zero out here. So anyway, that's the completion of how to tear apart a Bugout Bungalow. So this is what a 120 square foot Bugout Bungalow looks like, disassembled and stacked up. This is everything except the interior and exterior trim pieces and the floor, of course. So at one time I calculated just the wall and roof panels, not the windows. Oh, there goes my battery. I calculated the weight to be approximately 900 pounds for just the roof and wall panels. That's pretty lightweight. There it is. Easily put in a shipping container and shipped anywhere. Assembled and disassembled and moved again.